Hidden in the heart of the Annapurna region lies a secret that few have discovered: the Mardi Himal Trek. Unlike the crowded highways of Everest Base Camp or Annapurna Circuit, this peaceful route offers solitude and breathtaking beauty. At 5,587 meters, Mardi Himal stands guard alongside the iconic Fishtail Peak and Annapurna South. Your journey begins through mystical forests of rhododendron and oak, where ancient trees whisper stories of the mountains. As you climb higher, the landscape transforms into rugged alpine terrain, where prayer flags dance in the mountain wind. The reward? Sunrise views over the world's highest peaks that will leave you speechless and forever changed. Solo travelers find this trek perfect for introspection and meeting like-minded adventurers from around the globe. The tea house culture provides a safe, friendly environment where strangers become friends over steaming cups of masala chai. For couples, imagine sharing sunrise over the world's highest peaks, a backdrop of unparalleled romance and adventure. Families with active teenagers will find this trek an incredible way to introduce young minds to different cultures and the wonders of nature. Groups of friends create lasting bonds and shared accomplishments, with costs becoming more economical when shared among teammates. Spring, from March to May, transforms the mountains into a canvas of color as Nepal's national flower, the rhododendron, bursts into bloom. With mild temperatures of 10 to 20 degrees Celsius and clear skies, spring offers perfect conditions for photographers and nature lovers. Autumn, September to November, is the premium season with crystal clear air washed clean by monsoon rains and the most expansive mountain views imaginable. Winter offers magical snow scenery and complete solitude, perfect for Christmas and New Year celebrations in the mountains. Booking with Himalayan Adventure International Treks is straightforward. Visit HimalayanAdventureintel.com or contact them directly at info@HimalayanAdventureintel.com. They handle permits, transport, guides, accommodation, and meals, so you can focus on preparing your gear and building excitement. Pack in layers: moisture-wicking base layers, insulating fleece, waterproof outer shell, and a warm down jacket for high altitudes. Proper broken-in hiking boots with ankle support are your most important investment, your best friends on the trail. Your adventure begins in beautiful Pokhara, followed by a short drive to Kande, the official trailhead. Day 1 takes you through charming villages and terraced fields to Australian camp, immediately introducing you to stunning Annapurna views. Days 2 and 3 lead you through enchanted forest to forest camp and low camp, walking under canopies of ancient rhododendron and oak. The journey to high camp at 3,550 meters transforms the landscape into rugged alpine meadows with 360-degree mountain views. The pinnacle, an early morning trek to Mardi Himal Base Camp at 4,500 meters for sunrise over the world's highest peaks. Pure awe. Family packages range from $1,400 to $1,600 total for 4 people, including all meals, accommodation, guides, and permits. Group treks cost $450 to $550 per person, with special Christmas and New Year packages available. You'll need 2 permits: the Annapurna Conservation Area permit for $30 and Tim's card for $20 for foreign nationals. Reach Pokhara by tourist bus for $10 to $15, Jeep for $25 to $30, or 25-minute flight for $100 to $120. Tea houses serve both Nepali and international dishes, from unlimited dal bhat refills to hearty Sherpa stew and fresh momos. Start your day with Tibetan bread and honey, warm up with masala chai, and end with pasta or fried rice while sharing stories with fellow adventurers. Experience authentic mountain culture through prayer flag ceremonies, traditional architecture, and warm hospitality of local families. Stay in family-run tea houses, where genuine warmth and local wisdom enhance every moment of your journey. Led by experts like Binod and Pramod Karki, you're not just getting guides. You're joining a family committed to your safety and unforgettable experience. All guides are certified with extensive first aid training, carrying comprehensive medical kits, and skilled in altitude sickness management. Committed to eco-friendly tourism, they practice leave no trace principles while supporting local communities and donating 5% of profits to village education. Your journey directly supports mountain communities, creating positive impact on the lives of the people who call these mountains home. With transparent pricing, comprehensive support, and genuine passion for their homeland, they transform a simple mountain walk into a profound, life-enriching adventure. The Mardi Himal Trek isn't just a destination. It's a journey that challenges your body, calms your mind, and opens your heart. Your local agency awaits to make this dream your reality.